After signing in onto your Twitter account, sometimes you want to log out, but you don't know how. This can be quite tricky, and on a daily basis I get numerous inquiries on how to log out on Twitter. This video I'm going to show you how to log out on Twitter successfully. It's quite pretty easy and simple. Stay till the end of this episode to see the entire steps. Locate your profile icon on the top left corner, click it. Then proceed on settings and privacy. Then again locate your account and click it. Here continue to account information. Then when you scroll down you will see logout. This is quite easy. After you log out, now you have signed out of your account and you are no longer on Twitter. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.